We're going to have to do is we're going to have to show this tornado warning and the coverage on the left-hand side of your screen in the small box. The U.S. Open will continue to play big screen in that big box on the right-hand side. But tornado warning has been posted for Dewey and Custer County until 9:30 this evening. There's a strong rotation that's capable of producing a tornado. It's just east of Putnam, moving south at 10 miles an hour. So let's go ahead and close in on that warning right now. So Chip, let's go ahead and see exactly where that's at. We do have field meteorologist Mike Williams. He is on this thunderstorm right now, this supercell with a rotating wall cloud, and the storm is capable of producing a tornado at any time. So that's Mike's stream. He is in a great location right now. So if this thing touches down a tornado, he will be able to let us know right away. But please, if you live in Putnam or if you live in Parallel or Oakwood, please take your tornado precautions immediately. We have a rotating thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado at any moment. The strongest rotation is in between Putnam and Knobscot. So you're looking at our base velocity product right now that shows how fast and which direction the winds are blowing. So we've had a rotating wall cloud on the supercell for about the past half hour to 45 minutes. So we're showing right now the wind shear about 80 to 90 miles an hour, and that's plenty enough to possibly produce a tornado at any moment. So just east of Putnam, near State Highway 47, near County Road East 810, that's where we have the strongest rotation right now, as you can see, near Putnam, towards Parallel, Knobscot, and Oakwood. You folks, please take your tornado precautions. We're going to go ahead and track this thing for you, and it's moving. The storm is actually moving to the east at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So as we track this thunderstorm that could produce a tornado at any time, again, it's near Putnam. It's not moving very fast at all. It's going to be in Parallel in about 40 minutes. So again, you folks, make sure you take your tornado precautions immediately. Head to the lowest level portion of your home and put as many walls between you and the outside as you can. The storm is also capable of producing up to baseball-sized hail and 70 to 80 mile an hour winds. It's a very dangerous thunderstorm. We could also get some localized flooding too. So let's go ahead and take Mike Williams' stream. What you see, or what you're going to see when we take Mike's stream, is a lowering. So this is your rain-free base that we have right where Mike's stream is at right there. So you see a rain-free base, you see a rain shaft and heavy rain just to the east of that lowering. And if we're going to see a tornado, it's going to be right in front of Mike. So as you look at Mike's stream right down the road, if this is going to produce something, a funnel, possibly a tornado, hopefully not, but if that's going to happen, it's going to be right in front of Mike, and it's just a few miles to the east of Putnam, by the way. And you folks should be taking your tornado precautions right now. So getting a little bit closer. Actually, Chip, that's a good idea. Zoom out a little bit because we have other severe thunderstorms all across southwest and northwest Oklahoma too. So Chip, let's go to the southwest real quickly, please. We have a huge line of severe thunderstorms with a wind and hail threat. Now the winds with all these thunderstorms coming in 70 to 80 miles an hour.